Hi everyone, it's me Flavio Miguel again, and in this video I'm gonna show to you how I do groom my eyebrows. This is what I like to do when I'm recording or when I'm going to a party, when I'm going to a meeting with somebody. It's a little bit more than how my eyebrows are looking right now. You've seen it, how I created this nice, natural shaped, well-balanced and symmetric eyebrows. But now we're gonna do it with some makeup, okay? For this, I'm gonna use this eyebrow pencil. This one is from Kylie Cosmetics and in the color Cool Brown. Why Cool Brown? It's my favorite color because it's also a little bit more ashy and looks more natural. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to work with a very light hand. And I like to start from the inner corner of my eyebrows. So right there. And the movement that you created is towards the movement of the hair. Don't go against it, at least not yet. So we're gonna go from here, from the lower part especially, right there. And you already can see the difference in those inner corners, all right? So now we're gonna go following the entire lower part of the eyebrows, also on the sides. Once the lower part is done, it's time to brush downwards the hairs to do the upper part of the eyebrow. And also we'll brush also that part as well. And if it's for going out, I like to extend the eyebrow a little bit, elongate it. And once you brush this upwards, you're gonna get this nicely and well-shaped brow. Now when it comes to the inner corner, I do like to pull it up a little bit. And always remember to comb or brush the hairs in between strokes just to create a nice and smooth and even eyebrow. Now you can see both sides. How do you like it? Let me know in the comments, alright? And this is the final result with the both eyebrows done. Only thing left to do is to use again the gel brow. Just put them in place. Let's do that. And there you go, groomed eyebrows. Let me know how you like it, this technique, if this is something that you would use it yourself, or if you do something different than what I just showed up for you, alright? I hope you guys are enjoying watching this video as much as I enjoy making it, and please remember to hit the subscribe button because this is a series and there's many more tips that I'm gonna share with you in the coming days, alright? Thank you so much. Bye bye.